Uh, Good morning, class. Today again we are meeting to discuss about the last class of today's topic. As we have discussed, as we have studied index number, I have already completed uh, two chapters with you. One is simple interest with annuity and compound interest, and now I am completing in the verge of completion of index number. So another topic will be left for me, which is the time series analysis, which I will be discuss after your period from 1st of October to 18th of October. You have holidays, so I will be discuss after that. So today will be the last class for index number, and obviously the topic will be closed from here onwards. As we have discussed, still if you have any doubt, any query regarding any chapter of mine, you can always send your queries through CRs, and also you can also comment in the comment section of the video if you are not understanding anything, or if you are understanding, you can comment that. If you are not, if you have big problem regarding understanding it. So today I have already given you another sum in the homework, which I will be discussed. Then moving forward, I will be discuss the today's sum. Okay, I have given you the sum which determines determine the relative importance for food group, given that the cost of living index number for 2015 with 2000 as the base is 175 from the following figure. What has been said? You have to determine the importance of the food group, because weight has not been given. Cost of living index number for 2015 has been given with 2000 as the base is 175 from the following figure. So increase in expenditure has been provided, weight has been provided. From there you have to calculate IW, but before that, as there is one figure is missing, how you have to compute that, we need to classify it. So in percentage increase in expenditure of food, clothing, fuel, miscellaneous rent has been given, and weight has also been given except food. So here we have to consider relative importance for food group. Obviously it should be X. Then with X we have to reconsider it, how we have to calculate, right? Okay, so calculation for the missing weight, obviously it is sum number 5 as it has been determined in your homework. So calculation for the missing weight. For the missing weight, group has been provided. Percentage increase in expenditure, percentage increase in expenditure is given. Weight has been given W, and you need to calculate IW. You need to calculate IW, right? So food, clothing, fuel and light, rent and miscellaneous, right? So food is 340. Sorry. Sorry. Fuel asset is right? Sorry. fuel, etc. I have taken in the previous sum. Sorry, fuel, etc. miscellaneous and rent. Miscellaneous rent, etc. Right? So percentage increase is 65, 90, 20. 65, 90, 20, 71. And weight, obviously, you have to consider x. You have to consider x. Nothing is given, so it's 12, 18, which is 30, plus 10, 40, plus 20, 60. So here, summation of W will be 60 plus W. 60 plus X, sorry, 60 plus X, right? And here it will be 65X, 90 into 12 is 1080, 360, 700, 3000, right? 3700, 1700, 1040 is 5140 plus 65x. Okay. Now, percentage increase in cost of living index, in short CLI, is equal to, we know, summation of percentage increase has been given. It is basically I dash, right? So it will be I dash also. So summation of I dash W by summation of W, which is 5140 plus 65x by 60 plus x. And percentage increase in CLI has been given, which is 75. How? Base is 175, means upon 100, whatever the increase made, which is 75. As the sum says that, if you go through the sum carefully, with 2000 as base is 175 for the following. 175 means upon 100 it is increasing 75. Right? So 75 is equal to 5140 plus 65x by 60 plus x. So it will cross multiply it. How? Since CLI is equal to 175. Right? If you cross multiply it, what will be the answer? 75 into 60, it is coming 4500 plus 75x is equal to 5140 plus 65x, or 75x minus 65x is equal to 5140 minus 4500, or 10x is equal to 5140 minus 4500, it is 640, or x will be 640 by 10, which is basically 64. So the x figure is 64, so the missing figure will be 64. That will be the answer. I hope you all get this answer, you will understand this. So today's sum is basically wholesale price index. Again, the same formula we will be using, summation of IW by summation of W. At least we know how to do it. I will be providing you that as your homework, but one thing I need to clarify regarding a real wage, like how to calculate the real wage, and a sum has been given, which is sum number 3. During a certain period, the CLI goes up from 150 to 180. Means CLI, means cost of living index, has been going up from 150 to 180, and the salary of the worker is also raised from 6750 to 82,800. Thus the worker gain in real term, and if so, by how much? This is your sum. So it is very easy, real time wage salary. I'll discuss that, and the homework which I'll be providing you, I'll also provide you the answer in this video. If you go through my video, if you calculate that, you will get your answer also. Okay? So, as during a certain period, CLI goes up 150 to 180. So, calculation of real salary. This is sum number 3. Calculation of real salary. How you can calculate that? Period 1 says that CLI will increase from 150 to 180, means 150 in period 1, period 2 it will be 180. And the salary is also raised, means actual salary. Which has been also raised from rupees 67,500 to how much? 82,800, right? So does the worker gain in real term? Obviously, how you can calculate that? Real salary, I am giving the formula over here. Real salary is equal to 100 by cost of living index into actual salary. How real salary, how you can calculate? 100 by CLI into actual salary. That is the real salary. Okay. So over here 100 by CLI 150 into 67,500. The real salary will be, wait for it, 150 into 67,500. It is 45,000, right? And period 2 it will be 100 by 180 into 82,800. It will be 100 into 82,800 divided by 150. It is 55,000. 82,800. So 100 into 82,800 divided by 180. It is 46,000, right? Is 46,000. So obviously period 2's real salary has been increased in comparison to period 1. So what the question was? Question says that does the worker gain in real term, and if so, by how much? So I will write as the real salary in period 2 is more than the real salary in period 1. The worker gains in real term of amount how much? 46,000 minus 45,000 will be rupees 1,000. So worker will be gaining rupees 1,000. This is your answer to the question number 3, and the sum which I am providing you as the homework, which is sum number 1, and here the answer will be, means sum number 1's answer will be summation of IW by summation of W It is coming as 22391 by 100, which will be 223.91. That will be the answer of your homework. Please check it and do it. So I am finishing this chapter. I hope you all understood it, each and every corner of each and every sum. So this type of sum will definitely come, and it will be a 4-mark sum also if it is a lengthy one. So try to prepare it in that manner. And another one chapter is left with you all, which will be time series analysis. I will be starting after 18th of October, as your classes will be suspended up to 18th of October due to BCom Part 3 and BCom Semester 6 examinations. So hope you are doing well and you will do well. Hope you will understand this sum. Still, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can always comment in the video link, or you can also have a query through CR. Thank you for patient hearing. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you all.